Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, introduce my name is Evi Setiajuansi. You can call me Evis. I'm majoring in health promotion. Okay, here I will present about health promotion. To fulfill an assessment for an English course about benefit of vegetables and fruits. Okay, next. Meaning of vegetables. Vegetables are one of the food ingredients that come from plants, but they are usually taken and used as vegetable for cooking for the leaves, flowers, stems, and roots. Vegetables themselves have very abundant fiber and are very good for digestion. Okay, next. Fruit meaning. In everyday language, fruit tends to be interpreted as part of a plant that has fruit fresh, can be eaten. Some examples of types of fruits. However, in botany, the word fruits is not only used to describe the individual part of the category as fruit, thrown off to be included in the fruit category. Okay, next. Various kind of vegetable. 1. Water spinach. 2. Beans. 3. Bean sprout. 4. Broccoli. 5. Papaya leaf. 6. Lettuce. 7. basil. Long beans, spinach, and finally cabbage. Okay, next. Various kinds of fruits. 1. Watermelon. 2. Papaya. Banana. Apples. Grapes. 6. Cherry. 7. Avocado. And mango. Soursop. And pineapple. Okay, next. The benefit of consuming fruits. 1. A source of vitamin. 2. Water and nutrition sources. 6. Facilitate the sight. 4. Source of antioxidants. Facilitate thinking. And 6. Streamlining all organs of the body. Okay, next. The benefit of consuming vegetable. 1. Prevent and reduce anxiety. 2. Facilitate defecation. Prevent and disease and cancer. 4. Maintain a balanced body weight. Source of body energy. 6. Cleanse toxins from the body. Okay, next. Conclusion. The conclusion of my presentation is so that we can know more about the importance of vegetable and fruits and consume them so that our body are always healthy, awake, and protected from various diseases, and so that we always think about positive thinking. Okay, that's all the presentation that I can deliver. Hopefully, it can be useful and can be applied in the everyday life. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Coba, ayo. Terus belum. Terbang.